Can you play League of Legends on Linux? Yes, you can play LOL on Linux, but it requires some extra setup and patience. Riot Games does not officially support Linux, so you need to use compatibility layers like Wine, Proton, or the Lutris game manager to run the Windows version of the game. Lutris is especially popular because it offers pre-configured installation scripts that simplify the process, and when paired with DXVK, it can deliver surprisingly smooth performance on many modern Linux distros. However, there are caveats. Riot's frequent updates can break compatibility, and while League currently uses a basic anti-cheat system, Vanguard, used in Valorant, is slowly being integrated into League, which could block Linux steps entirely. Some users have already reported issues since Vanguard's rollout began in early 2024. So while it is still possible to play, you may run into crashes, login errors, or bans if Riot tightens security. Bottom line, if you're tech savvy and willing to troubleshoot, League of Legends on Linux is doable. But for long-term stability, dual booting with Windows remains the safest option. You can find setup guides on platforms like League of Linux or Technobursts.